Hi, this is Ed Hill, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee. What you're seeing on the screen are actual recent Google reviews for our company, but specifically for my service with our company. And you can probably read them right there on the screen, but you can see these same reviews under Masters Roofing, 2845 Stage Center Cove, Bartlett, Tennessee. If you will go to Google Maps, I think that'll take you right to our Google business site there under Masters Roofing, and you can see all of our Google reviews. If you need help with a roof inspection, roof bid, roof claim, call me, Ed Hill, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee, 901-359-4165.